Knowing that peace officers work, shift work, and are summoned to court as part of their duties, reducing their hours of sleep and rest, explain the need for officers to appear during voir dire and then wait all day to testify, knowing that they may have to work again that same night without sleep. If elected, how will you address the situation?
Well, when police officers and any other witnesses are called to testify in any case that's going to the jury, I require that the witnesses be present. This is especially important when we're picking the jury, because I want to make sure that the panel members who may be the jurors in the case know or don't know any of the potential witnesses to the case. We've had some cases where there was a problem after the jury was selected and sworn that a juror found out that he or she knew a particular witness and did not want to participate as a juror for one reason or another. And mistrials have occurred because of those facts. I want to make sure that if any member of the panel knows the witness or a potential witness of the case, that we know it before the jury is selected and sworn so that we can address that issue. If the problem is waived by the parties, that's fine. There will be no complaint about it later on. But if there's an issue with a member of the panel knowing a witness, then we need to address that matter at that point, and in all probability, that panel member is going to be excused. Once the witnesses are identified to the panel, then I release the witnesses to the case to come back until the testimony portion of the trial begins. And then, of course, they have to be ready to testify at the appropriate time. This allows us to dispose the case more efficiently, getting the witnesses there on time without having to have the jury wait for the witnesses to return. And of course, I'm conscious of all the time that police officers and other witnesses have to give in showing up for jury duty, in showing up for trial to testify as a witness. But that is one of the things that we have to go through. And I will work as best as I can to accommodate persons, but when a jury needs to hear the testimony of a witness, then we have to hear it at that particular time.
Thank you.